to Job Scout. Let's dive into our topic: how many jobs are available in power generation. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss a video. We have published a detailed article on our website on this topic as well. How many jobs are available in power generation? Power generation is widespread to meet daily energy requirements. The specialists in this industry empower and technologize our world. Green energy emission is being encouraged to protect the earth. Therefore, with renewable power generation facilities, this industry is only going to expand. The National Association of Colleges and Employers states that the power generation industry is expected to grow by 16% by 2025. This advancement is highly predicted after technology and power shook hands. Power generation aids the employment industry immensely. Recent research discloses that approximately 7.3 million jobs are available in the power generation industry. If you are a job seeker and looking for a solid career, then considering power generation is a great thought. Let us dive in for more information. What is power generation? The power generation industry manufactures power through primary resources such as fossil fuels, renewable sources, and chemical energy. It simply converts the other forms of energy into electricity that runs at a sustained rate. Power is vastly utilized in every other sector for commercial, domestic, industrial, agricultural, manufacturing, and transport purposes. It is a basic necessity to upgrade our standard of living. Green energy sources such as wind, sunlight, water movement, geothermal heat, and water gradient are leveling up the power generation industry. These sources can be naturally replenished and prevent the degradation of our motherland. What is the future of the power generation industry? The future is green. The world is shifting from non-renewable and devastating sources of energy to reliable and renewable sources. North America is lagging behind the power generation war from China, being the second most generator of electricity. Though America has been producing a stable amount of power, it has been transforming the sources to more secure ones. In 2021, fossil fuels were the major source of electricity production, contributing 60% of the total power generation in the U.S. This resulted in the emission of toxic gases that caused environmental depletion, acid rain, contagious diseases, and other global destruction occurrences. However, American President Joe Biden announced to cut down the devastating sources of power generation to clean energy resources by up to 80% till 2030. Solar energy is being promoted largely for this matter. Still, there is a long road ahead. To level down fossil fuel use, global effort is in demand. Dedicated and eco-activist employees can work to make our world a better place. Is power generation a good career path? Yes, it is an excellent career path for potential employees. If you are seeking a stable, fulfilling, and diverse career, then look no further, because power generation is the one for you. Here's why. If you are an expert in this field, you can earn a 6-digit figure. This field offers job perks like bonuses, paid vacations, traveling opportunities, insurance, and residence facilities. There is always room for growth in the power generation industry. You can start with an entry-level position and redeem your level with constant effort and skill. This industry develops transferable skills in its employees like the qualities of leadership, attention, problem-solving, negotiation, and creativity. The power generation industry is merged with the tech sector. If you are a curious soul and have a keen interest in technology trends, then this industry is tremendously favorable. 5 best-paying jobs in power generation. Power generation is there to serve white-collar or blue-collar jobs. You can either work on site for the extraction of sources for power generation or work in an established office in the managing, engineering, and technician department. The top-paying jobs are listed below. Civil engineer. As a civil engineer, you have to design, build, maintain, and supervise the infrastructure for the public or private sector. He plans the structural management of buildings, industries, roads, bridges, dams, heavy machinery, and pipelines. He ensures the safety and regulatory guidelines before the initiation of the project. A civil engineer, after earning a degree, gets a legal job license to work with businesses and industries. Power plant operator. A power plant operator designs, operates, manages, and maintains the power plant for power generation. He ensures the quality check of the machine and tries to minimize the energy and time input with maximum power production. He has extensive knowledge about the machine and solves any technical or mechanical issues related to the power plant. Process engineer. A process engineer is responsible for transforming energy sources into valuable power. He is the head of the overall process from the extraction of fossil fuel to transformation into electricity. He increases the efficiency of the process and makes it trouble-free with modern tactics and practical implementations. He has a great understanding of the laws of nature and analysis to convert energy raw materials into electricity. Geoscientist. A geoscientist is an expert in the Earth's structure, properties, chemical components, and timeline aspects to discover the natural resources for power generation. He predicts that fossil fuels and other energy sources are reservoirs for the production of electricity. Power engineer. A power engineer is responsible for generating, regulating, and distributing vast amounts of electrical power. He is also concerned with equipment such as turbines, boilers, generators, and engineers that are involved in the process. He ensures the safe and efficient transmission of electricity to homes, offices, and buildings. Final thought. How many jobs are available in power generation? Getting a job in the power generation industry is a dream come true. This industry is gigantic, and a career in power generation is lucrative. The professionals in this field earned a good name after tons of hard work. If you are willing to learn and adapt to the developing power generation, then this industry is a great hit.